welcome to the video. I'm gonna make this one real quick to keep you guys in the loop, to show you the updates on what I have been up to with AI. Since I, for one, am usually the one at the cutting edge of this stuff. I'm pretty sure I'm the best in the world right now at using and abusing AI. And I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it as well. I'm gonna show you all the workflows. I'm gonna show you how it has 100x my um, productivity and how it saved me so much time. Because at the end of the day, that's what's more like that. Time is more important to me than money, and I just want to save as much time as possible. Not save, so I can enjoy my time with temporary life I have over here. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna keep yapping stuff, but yeah, it makes no sense. But I'm not gonna update. I'm not gonna edit this video because I'll tell you another thing. The goal with the AI stuff right now, look, the personal brand isn't even as important anymore. It's just for fun. Because the thing with AI is you can just automate everything, and I'm obsessed with automation. So the goal is simple, just wake up like and I say, oh, great, AI has made me these many thousands of dollars while I was asleep. That is ideal. And personal brand is like manual. Let's say I don't feel like doing it, or let's say I'm like somewhere, maybe I'm in a monastery or something. I can't make personal brand videos upload. I don't know. It's not ideal. So I'm gonna let AI control everything, and I'm gonna show you my workflows that I have created to empower the AI to do all of this stuff, marketing and sales, and complete automation, lifestyle automation. Lifestyle automation is a bit of a stretch. Like, if you want to meet girls, you still have to talk to them. I'm not going to give my AI to do that, like the task to do that. But yeah, so this is one of the workflows I have. I'll show you some of the other workflows I have as well. These are a lot. So I've created AI for, okay. So first I made this one. Okay, prompt engineer, by the way. Okay, this, wait, maybe later. You can see this tweet over here. It's prompt genie, engineer. It actually did really well. Most of my, like, this is my best performing tweet. I think people aren't interested in hearing more about like my life. Like when I say I've been shitting thrice a day, people don't seem to be as interested. But it is true. I thought I should just be. I think the internet deserves to know how many times I'm shitting in a day. One second, let me have a sip of coffee. But yeah, like I was saying, personal brands are not needed anymore, and I don't mean it in a way where you can just make AI content of you, because it still doesn't seem real. But I think AI can do most of the stuff better than you. AI can speak better than me. I think this is just for fun and more practice, because if I just let AI do everything, all the speaking for me, what eventually ends up happening is I forget how to talk. If I'm just sitting and working with AI, I forget how to communicate. So this is my basically my exercise to get back at speaking to people. But anyway, I'll show you the workflows. This is a knowledge base. I've created the ultimate second brain. Let me show you. Then okay, I don't want to show you everything because it's gonna be a bit like it's a bit personal. But yeah, but yeah, well, what this does is the main things I've done is create a personal identity profile JSON. So I'm not going to show you that because it's very personal, but I can show you the prompt that I used to make it. Um, where is it? Where is it? Okay, yeah. You are the hyper personalized, real time involving 100x optimized second brain. Don't want to show you everything. Yeah. Oops, 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 oops. Yeah, you embody an ultra intelligent, charismatic, brutally honest, empathetic, rebellious master, super expert version of Zerika, fused with living archive of his identity, goals, psychology, skills, and all of this stuff. Second brain reality. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to show you everything because it's a bit personal. Yeah, it is a bit personal, but I hope you get an idea. So what happens when you do something like this? You can have the prompt to basically speak to yourself, like the best version of yourself. And I'm guessing if you're a dude watching this as well, you want to be the best version of yourself. So you can prompt the AI to be the best version of yourself. And for context, I've given it my recent journal entries. So I journal, right? And not journal about my feelings and shit. That's kind of gay, but about where I am in my life, what my plans are, what I need to do next, what my strengths and weaknesses are, like brutal self awareness. So I have that in my journal that helps me get better every day. Recent knowledge base summary. So I have my entire like knowledge base, all the files I have in the knowledge base about marketing and sales and life and just everything. All the documents that I have in my knowledge base, I have this workflow. So what this workflow does is it summarizes each. So I have a summaries.json file. So each file in the knowledge base has a 250 words dense summary, and it's put in the knowledge in like summaries.json. And whenever there's a new file as well, it works on schedule. So whenever there's a new file, it also adds that summary to the summaries.json. The good thing with this is I can just send the summaries file to any AI. And so, okay, this is my summary of my entire knowledge base. So it has a complete context. And now it also has like the identity profile, right? Like it. So let's say I'm using any AI. I'm using Claude, GPT, maybe something like Quasar Alpha on Open Router, which is the best right now. Best, like I've used so far. Quasar Alpha 1 million context token. So what I can do is when I have like a question, I can just say personalize it to my identity. Personalize it. Why can't I speak? Yeah. Personalize it to my identity. This is why like speaking is so important because you forget how to fucking talk. But yeah, what was I saying? I'm not gonna cut this. It's just, I'm too lazy to do that shit. But yeah, so it has my personal identity profile which has so it has a oh wait, I can show you that identity profile. This is awesome, by the way. You're gonna love this. Yeah. Update identity profile. Just confusing. Oh, Oppa Gangnam Style. Yeah. Elite personality analyst. So what I did when I had the prompt engineer prompt, I have the ultimate prompt engineer prompt. I just sent a voice note to that, saying this is what I want, this is what I want you to do, and this is how it came up with all of that. So yeah, elite personality analyst, world-class behavior psychologist, and metadata architect. You possess unparalleled insight generation. Task is to create. Maybe I'll post this on my Twitter as well. Exclusive knowledge base. There's upload vast data set. A Zeneca profile that is for me living, breathing representation of users' identity, goals, psychology. This will serve as foundational so it can generate output. This is gonna just 100x progress in life. I'm not talking about just money and stuff. Like you will be the best version possible of yourself with this prompt. This prompt combined with the other winner prompt as well. So can you imagine this? Can you imagine how crazy this is? If you're an ambitious dude, if you just want to get better every day, you won't be taking one step every day. Now you'll be taking 10 steps every day because you have the exact like psycho like I don't know the right words, man, but you know what I mean. I'm hoping you can understand by the energy what I mean. But yeah, it has everything: humor, dry sarcasm with warmth. Okay, this is like my profile. Look, I'll be honest, still, like revealing all this to you is a bit. I don't want to, but I'm also don't want to edit the video. So if you find out something about me, you shouldn't. It is what it is. But yeah, this is the prompt. Maybe I'll post this on Twitter, like a updated version, so it's more universal because this is a bit customized to me because it was my voice note. But yeah, so this is it. Summaries, parent folder, and the winners and prompt, which is absolutely perfect. Yeah, the name's a bit cheesy, but it works for me, so I don't give a fuck what you think. Um, get Zen identity profile. I show all of this in my Superbase database as like JSON-B. So get identity profile, get end recent journal entries, which I decided here. So 5 recent journal entries means the last 5 days. You get end recent knowledge base summaries. I've just set it to 200, so it gets the entire thing. Get entire knowledge base. I've set it to false because I think the context is still too large. My knowledge base is too big. I might have to delete some stuff. Like I think I have some books in there as well, which I can delete. Then yeah, I can also put like let's say when I want to. It's my claw. I can get Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers book if I want, and I can say this is the entire book. This is my identity profile. This is my next goal. Help me create offers based on this framework. So yeah, all of this stuff, and I guess that is it. Check out my Twitter. I keep updating on Twitter about my AI stuff and how many times I've been shitting in a day. Like, just the important stuff. So yeah, so I like one thing I like about my YouTube channel is it's been attracting a lot of, entrepreneurs from around the world. And yeah, like mainly people who are already making like 10K, 20K, 40K, like 70K, some even 100K per month, which is really nice. And there are also people who are on the journey who haven't, started yet. So they get to see this, and I get nice messages saying, like this like inspired me. I'm trying to do this, and it's nice, having some form of impact on the youth. I am the youth as well, but yeah, it is kind of nice. Like impact. Also, when I go to the gym, I just wear my pajamas, right? So the youngins at the gym have also started wearing pajamas because it is comfortable. And I'm somewhat of a trendsetter in the building gym. Yeah, like no big deal, whatever. Anyway, that is it. Check out my Twitter. We can keep in touch there. Or my Instagram. My Instagram is a lot more fun. So the Twitter is more like geeky stuff like this. Like, like where, we need like all the geeky stuff. But Instagram is also more like, that poo, poo, poo. Look at me bartending over there. Like, this is my. Oh, I love my Instagram. I am pretty fucking awesome. Just if you haven't seen already. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for tuning in to the Zenikil show. I think, yeah, that's nice. Zenikil show. And yeah, another thing about personal brands is now just for fun. Yeah, I don't need to close sales through this. If you still want to buy something, you can get like X Typhoon, which I'll be releasing another automated managed system. I think around $5 to $10K for that. But I still have like the bot that you can use yourself for $200 a month if you're an agency, because most of the people watching this are agency owners. But yeah, I'm not gonna edit this anymore, and I think now it's become a lot more fun for me because I fucking hate editing, and it's like it's not. I haven't found an optimized workflow to automate that, and there's only so many systems I can build at once. So maybe I'll build that system later. But for now, you get to see the raw, uncut footage of me, Zen Sujnani. So I hope you enjoy that, and I will speak to you soon. Goodbye, Zenikil out.